Hey guys, welcome back to Our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to be doing chicken wings. Okay, we'll bring you in, show you how to cut them if you don't know how to cut them, and show you how to make some of the best, crispiest wings you've ever had in your life. All right, to cut them, the way I do it, try to get a little pressure here, tilt it up, drummy up, flat down, come in, and then turn your knife just a little bit and it'll cut right through. And if you miss, there's a little piece of cartilage there. Just move your knife over a little bit and it'll cut right through it. Miss the skin behind it. So, what's your favorite wing sauces, guys? If you would, put it down in the comments of what your best wing sauce is. Something you make at home, something you buy. Me personally, we do have one that we have found and purchased that we really like. It's called Moore's. Tabasco has a hot sauce out that's made for wings too that's actually really good. But and this is going to be for Super Bowl for us, for the family. So this is just a few. That was just a few. This is going to be the rest. So we have a large family. So I'll bring you over here in a minute. We'll show you how to fry these, the temperatures, and go over everything and get everything going for you. All right, and we're back. Let's get this fried chicken going. These fried chicken wings. Get you in here. Got the temperature at 275. This is going to be for the first round. For crispy, crispy wings. Put your wings in. Nice and gentle. Don't let them splash because it will go everywhere. Okay. You're going to cook them twice. 275 for the first round. For about 13 and 14 minutes. I usually do about 14 for the first round. Okay. Then we're going to pull them off and drain them. And then we're going to have to raise our temperature up to get these things crispy. So, give it 14 minutes here. Got my timer going. And we'll see you back here just shortly. All right, it's been 14 minutes. I'm going to pull these off. Look great already. All right, now technically these are good to go. They're ready to eat. If you like a wing that is not as crisp, don't give you that crunch when you bite into it, you can go ahead and eat these now and they're perfect. Just sauce them up, ready to go. But now we're going to make them crispy. So what you got to do now is bring your oil temperature up to 375. We're going to cook them for another 6 minutes. As I said, temperature wise, you can go ahead and temp these. They're well over 165 and ready to go. Now by letting them cool, especially since you're having to raise your temperature, you want your first set of wings to cool down, and then after you pull your last set off, like when I do them in a big pot, like when I do all the big bunch of them, I rotate them out. I put the last ones in last into my next set of grease, and when I raise the temperature up. So it gives them time to cool, crispen up, and keep all those juices inside of the wings. So now we'll get this up to 375 and bring it back in to finish them off. All right, we're back. We're at 375 degrees. I'll bring you back in. we're going to drop these chicken wings back in for 5-6 minutes. The reason I keep saying different times, or I keep trying to say 5. I tried 5, I tried 4, I tried 7, tried 8. 6 seems to work the best. But if you want them a little bit more extra crispy, you can go 7, 8. I've done them both. Now sauces. I'm going to get the sauces while this is cooking. This is what I'm using. Not a paid sponsor by far. But if they want to hook me up, I'll be more than happy to talk with them. Moore's Original Buffalo Wing Sauce. A lot of places sell it. I know Academy sells it. Kroger sells it. Amazon sells it. They have a bunch of different kinds. Usually when I'm doing wings and I'm getting everything ready, I'm doing like 100+ wings. You know, we have 5 boys plus friends over and the wife, kids, everybody. So I usually sauce my wings in something like this. Tonight I'm just going to use something a little smaller since we're only doing 6 wings. And all you do, shake your sauce up. Make sure it's good and ready. Pour it in. Okay? Just pour you a nice amount in. Look, there's never too much because the wings are only going to hold so much. So we've got about 5 more minutes until we get ready to try some amazing wings. See you back in 5 more minutes. Are you excited yet? Because I know I am. Alright, so now we're going to get the wings back out. Been in there for that 5 minutes. Nice crispy skin. Now, let them come down just a second. Tap them a little dry if you want, but then they go straight into your sauce. Okay, do it while they're hot. Nice, perfectly coated wings. Bring them back out. Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now you got me on the chili. That stuff was like lava. I gotta let these cool down for a second. Alright everybody, you're back for one of these wings. Nice, cooked, done, no questions asked. Man. Y'all don't know what you're missing. These are fantabulous. They're better than fantastic. Highly recommend it. Cook them twice, guys. Get them crisp. Makes a huge difference on taste. They're not slimy at all. You get those undercooked wings, got that little slime. Oh, no, not me. Not my style. Man, these are fabulous, guys. Be sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Get more people to watch us. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. We got to get to that 1,000 to get YouTube to help us out. So, come back and see us for our next recipes, or never know what we're going to do next. But we'll see you then.